What's going on, team? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And as you guys saw in the title and in the thumbnail of this video, it is going to be breaking down to you guys on how I was able to earn well over $10,000 in a 24-hour period utilizing the power of TikTok. Guys, before we get started in this video, what I want you guys to do is make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this video. Make sure and go subscribe if you guys are brand new here. If you guys would do me a favor, share this with 5 individuals that you know need to get onto TikTok because they're missing out. They're not only missing out on the fun and the enjoyment and the dances, but they're also missing out on cold, hard cash. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Austin Lewis. I'm a serial entrepreneur located here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And I got on TikTok for one reason and one reason only. The beautiful part of TikTok is the algorithm. I don't know if you guys remember back in 2012, but you were able to grow on Instagram 100% organic. You were able to grind on Facebook and people would share it and the whole world would be able to see it and you'd get 10 million views. Now on Instagram, I'm lucky to get 100 likes. Now on Facebook, only about 3% of my friends, if that, actually see my posts. But on TikTok, I have the power of virality, ladies and gentlemen. Before we get into my nuts and bolts on how I was able to earn over $10,000 in a 24-hour period with the power of TikTok, I want to share with you guys some things really just about TikTok. There's been some new updates, right? TikTok was looking at getting banned here in the United States, but then they just did an $800 million deal with Apple. Was it with Apple? Google. They just did an $800 million deal with Google, and now they just came out and said, hey, publicly, we have about $200 million in the United States able to be payable to the U.S. influencers. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that are skeptical, for those of you that are shoulda, woulda, couldas, and guys, I've been shoulda, woulda, coulda before in my entire life. I shoulda, woulda, coulda got on YouTube 5 years ago, but I didn't. I shoulda, woulda, coulda invested more money into Bitcoin, but I didn't. I shoulda, woulda, coulda bought a couple extra properties, but I didn't. I shoulda, woulda, coulda gone way harder on my Instagram and been to 1 million followers by now, but I'm not. I'm only at 299,000 followers on Instagram. But you know what I did say? When I saw TikTok, my sister actually said, Austin, TikTok is the next wave. Ladies and gentlemen, I started playing around on TikTok and I saw the virality option to be able to go from zero to hero, to be able to have a video go from nothing to over 1 million views. And look at some of these videos.
Just picked up some money to go fill my ATM machines.
They are terrible. And then I decided and said, you know what? I'm going to bring on somebody full time. Instead of making videos like this, I want to bring content like this.
Top reasons on why you need to focus on becoming a healthier person. Number 1 is your body is the temple. If you don't focus on your mind, body, and soul, you're ultimately not going to achieve what it is that you're trying to achieve.
And get fire videos on the platform of TikTok so that I can leverage this video in order to generate sales, generate more eyes, generate more people coming to me on my Instagram, on my YouTube. A lot of you guys that are watching this video right now are actually literally coming from TikTok. The power of virality, the power of literally being able to go from zero to hero on the platform of TikTok. I am not going to rave about this anymore, ladies and gentlemen, but if you don't have TikTok, you guys should certainly download it. Right now, timing is an essence. It is getting harder and harder and harder to blow up on TikTok because the amount of surplus of people that are on TikTok and the amount of influencers nowadays, it's honestly pretty much like Instagram now. Again, not fully like Instagram, but it's pretty much very close to Instagram. Because again, at the end of the day, people are realizing, influencers are realizing that TikTok is not getting banned. TikTok is a platform that you can actually literally go out there and change your life. Ladies and gentlemen, how I was well able to earn over $10,000 is by leveraging TikTok, videos like this rather than videos like this, and leveraging them to come to my Instagram, to shoot me a DM, to come to some of my offers. A lot of you guys might not have offers. Well, that's definitely something to figure out, and then you can turn these types of videos into clients, customers, and sales. You can turn a massive viral TikTok video into hundreds of thousands of dollars, ladies and gentlemen. I've been able to grow well over 5,000 followers in literally just a matter of 48 hours on TikTok, leveraging the power of the algorithm. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not a guru when it comes to social media. I'm not a guru when it comes to TikTok. I'm just here to share with you guys a platform that could potentially change your life because it's changed mine. I was able to earn over $10,000 in a 24-hour period, all because I leveraged the algorithm. I caught the algorithm with one of my videos, and you know what? It only went to 67.9 thousand views. But the engagement on videos like that, the watch time on videos like that is certainly not close to what the watch time is on my YouTube videos. Way better, in fact. But the watch time on these videos allows people to see and hear and touch and smell and feel exactly what it is that you're putting, that good content now, which is then driving them to your Instagram, driving them to an offer, driving them to a course sale, driving them to a workshop program, driving them to get mentored or one-on-one coach, driving them to my YouTube channel to gain over 1,000 subscribers a month on YouTube. I can tell you right now, it's definitely not organic, but it is organic because I'm telling my TikTok followers, that 83,000 of them, to go subscribe to my YouTube. And everybody says, Austin, how are you growing on YouTube so fast? It's quite simple. I'm growing on TikTok every single day so fast. So if you guys have been doubting the platform of TikTok, if you guys have not fully sold yourself on getting on the platform of TikTok, I highly reconsider your thought process. Ladies and gentlemen, all you gotta do is post phenomenal content. All you gotta do is just post the right captions, the right hashtags. Be consistent. I post anywhere from 2 to 4 times a day. When I post 2 to 4 times a day, I'm very intentional about the photos or the videos that I'm going to be posting. And I'm always telling them to go do something. I'm always telling my followers to go act. Don't just watch my video, like it, and comment, but I want you to go into the caption. I want you to go into the link in my bio, or I want you to shoot me a follow on Instagram. Ladies and gentlemen, the power of TikTok, the algorithm, it is such a beautiful thing right now. I highly express each and every single one of you guys that are coming from TikTok to continue to go, to continue to build, to continue to build and post those videos that it is. Make sure and post high-level content. I see in all my bad quality videos versus my incredible quality videos, the watch time, the difference, the shares, the likes, the comments is completely different. Ladies and gentlemen, I was able to influence enough people with 67.9 thousand views in order to make well over $10,000 in a 24-hour period. Austin Lewis here. Make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this video. Make sure and come subscribe to your boy if you guys are brand new here. Make sure and share this with 5 of your friends, or 10 if you really wanted to. And if you guys haven't already, make sure and check out the link in the description below. We have the A&A show. The A&A show is built by incredible individuals, myself, my partner, and myself, that are interviewing and entertaining all day long, almost every single week. Actually, we are doing it every single week. Every Monday and every Friday, we're posting new guests for those of you that are interested in going and getting some entertainment, as well as getting some business, some knowledge, some life lessons. Then definitely go check that out. Make sure and subscribe. It's going to be going to 1 million subscribers on YouTube, as is my channel, because you guys just subscribe and like this video. Ladies and gentlemen, Austin Lewis here saying we'll see you guys on TikTok.